We're just going to look at some beautiful fabrics this day. We're going to put them up all week because we've just got some really pretty fabrics. They're perfect for spring and they're just lovely. Most are Alexander Wang. This is fabric we had up on our live fabric sale. We don't have a lot left, but it's a beautiful cream and it's a cotton silk poly blend. It's got great drape. It is really reversible. It's like a tone-on-tone leopard print is the print. It's just lovely, really pretty. I put it with this navy slub. This is 100% cotton. It's kind of a navy and a black both. Beautiful. It's linear blouse, a jacket, a lightweight jacket, great jean jacket, 922. Oh, there's so many uses it would be really beautiful out of. This goes with it really well, and so does this. This is 100% cotton woven. Be wonderful for a little blouse. Lightweight, nice, really nice for a lightweight pair of pants, like a pair of cargo pants. So that's it, and those are really pretty together. I put this black in because it's perfect for this time of year, and I'll tell you why. Spring and summer, it's light, so you can see it's really light. It's a cotton poly, but it's very thin. So this is a great time to redo leggings, new yoga pants. It has stretch in both directions. It's really pretty, and it's going to last you for a while. This is 100%, this is a cotton poly. It's a black with a stripe. Now this black matches this perfectly, but this is a really close little pinstripe. Sorry about that noise. And it's really beautiful. They're about 10 inches apart. Cotton poly. And then this is a perfect match to it. And this is 100% cotton. And it goes with it just lovely. It's so pretty together. This would be great for the palazzo pants. Pair of palazzo pants and then a blouse that can go with. 100% cotton. This is a woven. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.